Hi, welcome to our production line for Keling's air-cooled water chiller and heat pump units, an energy-saving solution for space heating, cooling, and industrial processes. Now, let's look at a few key features of our products.
It uses high-quality and efficient heat exchanger and low-noise fan motor of first-level brand. Compressors are also adopted from world's renowned brands.
Within our controlling box, the cables are well organized and consistently arranged.
Intelligent microcomputer control and multiple protection enables its safe and easy operation. We have strict quality control system, perfect after-sales and quality assurance services. You will never have to worry about the quality of our brand.